YouTube. I'm going to continue the series today of various Cornish language readings, typically being biblical, hymnals, etc, etc. I'm going to read you one of the 4 Marian antiphons. Today I'm going to read you Alma Redemptoris Mater. I'm going to do the other 4 in course. Just a short one again today, it's not particularly long, just so you can hear the meter and the sound of it. It is typically sung. There is, and I will put a link to some of the music in the description box. I'm not going to try and attempt to stick to the Latin hexameter that typically goes with the original Latin version. I'm just going to do it in Cornish and read it out as I think it naturally arises from the Cornish translation. I will be reading from, again, Liber Pisado Kemen, written in 1980, produced by the Bishopry of Truro. And I'll show you there exactly, just quickly the text. There you go, and the other 3 are there. I'm going to work through them. To see if we can do all of the 4 Marian antiphons. So okay, I'll read it out now. Put the translation in the description box below. Isn't much more to say than that, really. Nice and short. Here goes. Alma Redemptoris Mater, in Canuck, in Cornish. Mam pergi fagen desprenias, tu dallas Glasgow nef. Praes de gelis hastelen and more, gwellers than decis cothis. Si levino sevelin ban, tidel risis denethi. Thou via saclus ham marthas devis nature. Gluk del ris gens denefians a gluk a was a orth ger Gabriel. Ave, o teg meles, geme pita wolberger joran. So there's a variety of different English translations. I think this isn't necessarily the same as all of them, naturally. Some of them map better than others. I think the Liturgy of Hours translation might be closer to the English, especially because it has the same closing line. Geme pita wolberger joran, take pity upon sinners, etc, etc. But I'll put a link in the description box below, and that's it. I'll keep reading more Marian antiphons.